not only help in weight loss but also keeps your body healty. Fruits are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. They are high in fiber, and if you are losing your weight, then you must include fruits in your diet. In today's video, I am talking about the fruit is guava. Guava is a local fruit that can easily found everywhere. It helps in weight loss, low risk of cancer, rich in vitamin C, help to control diabetes, make your heart healthy and beneficial for pregnancy. In today's video, I will share with you the recipe of making guava jam. Here I am not using sugar at all to make jam. I am using misri instead of sugar. Misri is rich in iron, help to maintain hemoglobin, cure cough and throat pain. Eating sugar not only increases our weight but also causes a lots of diseases like toothache, heart diseases, obesity and wrinkles. Now our third ingredient is lemon. Lemon is natural preservative, good source of vitamin C and help in weight loss. Okay, now let's see our next